I'm doing a knock sensor on a 2001 Nissan Altima. First, we're going to remove the negative from the battery, since we're going to be working so close to the starter. I did remove the passenger side tire and the plastic cover on this side for easy access. I'll show you where it is. It's kind of hidden. Got a flashlight right here to point at it. And right there, behind that oil filter, way up there, you'll see it right there. That's where it is.
Who are you talking to? Yourself?
Okay, so I already took it out. Here it is. I'm going to show you where it went. I use a 12 millimeter ratcheting box wrench. This is really useful. It has this little bolt in there holding it. Okay, and this is what it looks like right there, hanging from its plug, and it went right up there, right there. That's where it goes. See, it's right there. See it? Reposition my phone. Right there. Here's the problem I had with this one, and you guys can see it. This is the old one, and you can see right there, it has a crack. Okay, so no wonder the car was sluggish, and sometimes it was just stalling in the middle of the road. So now I removed it. It has this wire clip on it, and I pull it all the way out. Then you just put the new one in. I actually removed the entire connector from it just to make sure that it wasn't cracked or anything, and also for ease of reinstalling this, because it's really hard to be working with this little wire clip under the car. So now I put it in there, and you just push it in like that, and you just go in. I use both hands, but I'm holding the phone with one. And make sure it goes around the little tabs in there, so that the other one is locked in place. All right, and then the putting it back in is just the reverse of everything. And I'll stop now.